हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सभी लोग। तो आज अपन बात करने वाले हैं डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच के 30 महत्वपूर्ण क्वेश्चन के ऊपर। तो चलिए आज की क्लास अपन शुरू करते हैं। आज का अपना सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, ही सेड आई हैड फिनिश्ड द वर्क बिफोर शी अराइव्ड। आंसर है इसका बी, ही सेड ही हैड फिनिश्ड द वर्क बिफोर शी हैड अराइव्ड। Next question. She said, if I were you, I would accept the offer. Answer is B. She advised me to accept the offer. Next question. He said, had I known, I would have helped you. Answer is B. He said that if he had known, he would have helped you. Next question. She said, no sooner had I reached than it started raining. Answer is C. She said that no sooner had she reached than it had started raining. Next question. He said, you must complete this work today. Answer is B. He told me that I had to complete that work that day. Next question. She said, let him finish his work. Answer is A. She suggested that he should finish his work. Next question. He said, I wish I were rich. Answer is A. He said he wished he were rich. Next question. She said, would that I had met him earlier. Answer is A. She said wished she had met him earlier. Next question. He said, you had better leave now. Answer is A. He advised me to leave then. Next question. She said, it is time we started. Answer is B. She said it was time that started. Next question. He said, I have seldom seen such a place. Answer is B. She said he had seldom seen such a place. Next question. She said, hardly had I reached when he left. Answer is C. She said that hardly had she reached when he had left. Next question. He said, who know what will happen? Answer is A. Next question. She said, how clever you are. Answer is A. She exclaimed that I was very clever. Next question. He said, what a pity. Answer is A. He exclaimed with sorrow that it was a great pity. Next question. She said, I would rather stay at home. Answer is A. She said she would rather stay at home. Next. He said, you need not come tomorrow. Answer is A. He said, I need not come the next day. Next question. She said, I dare not speak the truth. Answer is A. She said she dared not to speak the truth. Next. He said, be quiet and listen to me. Answer is A. He told me to be quiet and listen to him. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, शी सेड लेट अस नॉट वेस्ट टाइम. आंसर इज ए, शी सजेस्टेड दैट they should not waste time. Next question, he said unless you work hard you will fail. Answer is A, he said unless I work hard I would fail. Next question, he said I am used to getting up early. Answer is A, she said she was used to getting up early. Next question, he said you ought to respect your elders. Answer is A, he told me I ought to respect my elders. Next question, she said may God bless you. Answer is A, she prayed that God might bless me. Next question, he said long live India. The answer is A, he wished that India might live long. Next question, she said you shall do as I say. Answer is A, she told me I should do as she said. Next question, he said do you know who I am. Answer is A, he asked if I know who he was. Next question, she said why did you not finish the work. Answer is A, she asked why I had not finished the work. Next question, he said where have you been all this time. Answer is A, he asked where I had been all that time. Last question, she said by whom was this letter written. Answer is A, she asked by whom that letter had been written. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं जल्दी नेक्स्ट क्लास के अंदर.